Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple popsicle box. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need a piece of sturdy cardstock or thin cardboard, ideally measuring around 8 by 10 inches, along with a pair of sharp scissors. Don't forget a ruler and a pencil for precise marking, and some strong craft glue or double-sided tape for assembly. These basic tools will help us create a fantastic container. Now, let's get precise with our measurements. Begin by marking a 4-inch by 6-inch rectangle in the center of your cardstock. This will be the box's base. Next, draw 1-inch wide flaps extending outwards from each of the 4 sides of this base rectangle. Carefully cut along your outer lines, ensuring all flaps are intact. Then, score the fold lines with a ruler and a dull knife for crisp, clean folds. With your cuts made, it's time to bring the box to life. Carefully fold all 4 1-inch flaps upwards along the scored lines, creating the sides of your box. Apply a thin, even line of craft glue or a strip of double-sided tape to the outer edge of each short flap. Then, press these short flaps against the inside of the adjacent long flaps, forming the box's corners. Hold each corner firmly for about 30 seconds to secure the bond. To complete your custom popsicle box, you can add some personal flair. Reinforce the inside corners with extra tape for added durability, especially if it will hold heavier items. Now, let your creativity shine by decorating the exterior with markers, paint, or fun stickers. For a more polished and durable finish, consider applying a clear protective coating. Your unique, handmade box is now ready to store your delicious frozen treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.